Hi, this is Matt Procopio, and I am demoing Flappy Bird, which is assignment 1, or the second assignment in CS50's Introduction to Game Development. Here we go. The first feature I will show is the pause feature. Please note I had to actually in the game disable play for the Mario music because I couldn't, actually in the recordings my voice didn't project loud enough. So let's continue. As you can see, we resumed where we paused from. Also note the gaps or the distance between the pipe pairs are random. Also, pause again. The distance between the pipes, the top and bottom pipes, are random as well. Continue. Please note the award that was just received. Every time a user scores 5 points, the user then receives an award, and I have different award icons per the merit or the award received. So as you can see, 3 awards have been earned, so let me end. And here we go. In the score state, the 3 award icons are painted or rendered into the screen in the top left corner, and also I have added some text lettering to indicate that the user had received 3 merits. And that's it. Thank you.